Stop scrolling and try these 3 money making apps that are completely free and available worldwide. The first step in our list is Survey Magic. This app pays you for completing different surveys. New surveys unlock when you complete the available surveys, but it also depends upon your location. For example, this one is the intro survey. The estimated time is 3 minutes and the amount you will earn is $1. At first, it will ask questions. If you qualify, you can complete the survey. But if you don't qualify, you will be redirected to some other surveys. I am going to complete this survey in front of you guys to show this app is legit. I answered the questions that has been asked in the survey. Here you go. I earned $1 by completing a survey in just 1 minute. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Visa, Amazon and other gift cards. The next step in our list is Repocket. This app is available worldwide no matter where you are from. This app provides multiple ways to make money. You can make money by completing micro tasks. The main earning option in this app is to share your unused internet bandwidth. All you need is just create your account in 30 seconds. Keep the app running in the background. The more you let the app in the background, the more money you will earn. Let me tell you that this won't make you rich, but it's a passive income which in a month you can expect from $50 to $80. But the plus part is, it doesn't affect your internet. You can also make money through referrals. The more friends you invite, the more commission you will earn. And plus part is, when you invite a friend and your friend invite his friend, you get double commission. So focus on the referrals, which is a smart and passive way to make money.